Welcome back to Vapor Cycles for the third Sunday sync. First of all, we got some news that Velo Berlin has been postponed from its dates in May because of the continuing pandemic situation. No clarity on the new dates yet. With the weather drastically improving, I have been out enjoying the version 2 build. Giving it plenty of abuse, the only annoyance so far is that the brake cable inside of the completely hollow top tube slaps around when riding over really rough surfaces. Otherwise, I'm happy to report no issues at all. And I'm having lots of fun riding this thing around Berlin. On the updated design, as you may have seen on Instagram, I'm rebuilding the CAD model, so I have decided to call it a version 3 frame instead of version 2.1. The plan is to have a more parametric design so the frame can be easily customized for each customer. I have also been on a hunt for parts, many of which have already been delivered, and damn, this is some of the nicest parts I've ever bought in my life, which I guess speaks about my vision for version 3. And finally, on the video front, silicone handles I have made in the previous video have been in use on my bike, and I'm happy to report they work great. I would love to try a slightly harder compound, so if you are planning to make some yourself, keep it in mind. Still to come is a video where we will make a carbon X-carriage for a 3D printer. Stay tuned for that and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Until then, have a great couple of weeks everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.